Okay, in this video, I was gonna go ahead and work on figure 2. I already finished figure 1. Figure 2 is with a little tuck dart, and it's also a pleat. It takes a minute to really look at this pattern to figure out what is happening. But basically, this dart right here, these little tiny dart legs, they're gonna be sewn at the very edge of her armhole. And then the instructions are going to say sew 4 inches down on the dart legs, but these are also kind of dart legs. So this is basically a top stitch. So that's how I'm thinking how it is. So I played around with it a bit. I mean, it kind of seems like, oh, this is the dart, but I don't think so. I actually think the dart is over here. And then this is just like sewing down these long dart legs. Follow along. Let me know if you agree. If you do it differently, please, please, please share and we'll see what happens. So, okay, so I already have figure 1 done. So now I'm going to add the dart. They want us to mark 1.5 inches. So, one way we can do that is obviously marking it, right click, split the line. But I think the easiest way to do it, because these dart lines look like they're parallel to my other internal lines I already have, I'm just going to select the internal line, right click, and offset it. And we'll offset 1.5 inches. And I'll say okay. And then I'll do the same to the other side. Oops. Try that again. Okay, so then I have my little points there. This is now 1.5 inches. I guess they need to actually be points there. But anyways, it is 1.5 inches. Okay, so I don't need these super long. Let's see here. I guess I'll split it right here. And then I'm gonna delete a point. I don't even know what line that left. Did I split it? Yeah. Is it on you? What happens if I delete you? Yeah, I guess that was the right one. If I delete you, I don't know. Let's see here. Maybe you? Oops, yeah. So I can just actually move it up there. And this guy too, I think I'm just going to split it right here. A little messy. That's okay. And then I'll go over here, hit the letter Z, grab one of these shapes, delete it. And then I think manually with my Z tool, just kind of scoot that so they're all together. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is a dart that's going to be sewn together is what I believe is happening. So do we still need you? Because it's supposed to be all cut out. Okay, so I think to do that, I'm just going to right click and make sure there's a point on the pattern outline. And then I'm going to delete the line. And then I'm going to take that point and just bring, ooh, you know what though? That wasn't very good. I'm going to hit edit undo. These also need points on the pattern outline, which is kind of annoying because it's going to add it to both sides. Grr. Okay, whatever. But at least now I can bring my dart in where it belongs. Zooming in, really get it in on that spot. Okay. And you know what? I don't even need these internal lines anymore. I'm just going to delete them. Okay, so let's look at our sewing because I think it did mess up our shoulder that we had. So I'm just going to delete this green shoulder thing. That was part of the original pleat I had going. Okay, and then I'm going to sew my dart closed. And let's see what's happening. Okay. So this, I probably should have cleaned this up in the last video. This actually should have been deleted just so that it's actually together. I didn't quite close that dart all the way, but now it's officially closed, so that's better. And okay, so this is not folded very nicely. So what we can do you guys remember how to add fold lines to fold the fabric? I'm going to put in an internal line, letter G, and then I'm going to set that line to fold. So let's go to property editor. Okay, if it's wrong sides together, It's supposed to be set at 0 angle. And I guess I'll just say on. We can always change the fold strength too if we're not really happy with what's happening. I'll hit spacebar. Something's funky with her waist. Okay, good to know. There might be some kind of sewing issue there. Oh, there is, because remember I took out that dart. Yes. Okay, so is it the green ones? I think it's the green. Delete that. Oh, okay, and then I think this green can actually go here. I might have just cleaned it up, but if I didn't, I should just redo it. Redo the sewing, I mean. Maybe it's okay. Okay, so there we go. Let's see here. Okay, so now they are only sewing 4 inches. I actually sewed the whole thing down earlier in the last video, just because I just wanted it to lay really flat. But I can follow the book and just sew it down for 4 inches. I'll do the same over here on this side of my little sew line. Hello, come on. Oops, am I in the wrong tool? What's going on? Oh, maybe this red one's in my way. There it goes. Okay, jeez. There we go. And then I could put a top stitch down as well, so you can really see it if I wanted to do that. But there we go. Now the only thing that's kind of not super great, I think, about this, let me hit number 2 for a good zoom, is I feel like on my avatar we have an angle and then it kind of turns, where hers kind of keeps going straight out. Okay, so I really feel like that's just because the dart's kind of at a different angle. So I could probably, what did I do last time? I suppose, let's see here. We can kind of shoot this up. Let's see here. What if I change this? So I know they said to bring it in 2.5 inches. I'm kind of eyeballing it, which is sort of bad. I should probably control the numbers to get the right fold lines. I mean, that's a much less dart. That's one way you can see already the angle's more straight. So we're adding more fabric. If for some reason we really like that dart amount, I probably have to slash and spread this guy and then rotate him, maybe. That's something too. I don't know why we really want this design in the first place, if I'm being honest with you. Oops, that's the wrong way. I don't know. But anyways, that's basically what they want from number 2. I'm going to hit undo, because I actually think the better way is to just not have as large of a dart opening, so that our line is straight and doesn't like turn midway. Okay. Yeah, so that's going to need some adjusting. I probably have to strengthen this on and kind of play with it a little bit. So there you go. That's it. Let me know if you guys have questions, and looking forward to see which flanges you guys choose to draft.